It's pretty bad. We're gonna go dumpster diving during a tropical storm, ain't it? What do you think?
I like it.
We may not find a whole lot, but we're gonna give it a shot in the rain. Maybe there ain't no other divers out tonight today.
We won't melt. We ain't gonna melt. Just water.
Alright guys, we'll see y'all at the dumpster. Alright guys, right below, I think we found a grab bag. Maybe not a grab bag. A styrofoam pumpkin. There's earbuds. Little pin set.
Oh man, this is good.
Let's see if we can find something else here. Regular garbage. Bunch of boxes. That's all I see. Boxes. Be back in shortly. Okay guys, we're at Dollar Tree. Get some tapioca pudding. Tapioca pudding. More sausage. They're cool. September 17th.
Well, those, as long as they stay cool, they should be okay.
I'm sure. Oh, here. Roll of toilet paper. Chocolate milk. No, it's not even cold. Hot dogs. Turkey bacon, September 13th. It's cool, but now I don't know what turkey bacon looks like. It's supposed to look like.
I don't know.
Candle. There's some glass containers. Put back together. It's a strawberry kiwi lemonade. Broken jar. Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright. It's gonna be the thumbnail.
Oh, okay. Alright, we are rolling. Rolling. Okay, it's been raining all day long, so.
It's so bad we couldn't even see it going down the road.
So this is our little catch for the day. We went fishing. So we got this Turkey Hill strawberry kiwi lemonade. This cool lantern. Check it out. It lights up. Isn't that neat? Grizzly got on me because I was playing with it too much. But we got,
while we were diving, you were playing with it.
Yeah, because the stores were still open and he didn't want to get caught. So, and here I was goofing around. So we got this is a little solar light. Hey, it works too. Look at that. Huh. That's neat. Okay, y'all remember these guys? These are those little balloons that you pop and go like that. Yeah. That's what we got there. We got some earbuds, rechargeables. We got these.
Take them out and make sure they're in there.
Okay.
I'll take them in and check them out.
Yeah, they're in there, all right. By golly, everything's in there. Check it out. Ain't that cool? Yeah. Okay. Then we got these neat little mini glass containers. Ain't that cute?
Hold down a little closer.
This candle, it's not even broken.
Yeah,
Well, yeah, it is. Ah, spoiler alert. Work hard. I don't have a glass on. Stay humble and live happy. Then we got this other light. It doesn't work, but that's fine. Now my ghost won't shut off. And then we got these hot dogs. Classic Franks.
Those for the guys that church dogs.
And we got some smoked sausage
Got
for
in a
him
few
too.
packs.
Yeah, and turkey bacon. I'm sure his dogs will like that. Then we got I like these. The 24 count gel pen set. Isn't that cool? It's even got the ones with glitter. We had these and they went pretty quick. My most favorite tapioca pudding, y'all. Ain't that good? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. I had to double check. I'm gonna try one of these out. Got 10 of those. Well, it ain't much, but it is something, y'all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, every day is an adventure. Thanks for the prayers for my friend.
Stuff in
Okay. Because now they're telling her that he's got COVID, not letting her see him. So y'all say some extra prayers, for they really, really need it, guys. And that's it. Just like, share, and subscribe. Every day is an adventure. And till next time, keep smiling, y'all. We appreciate y'all. Look at your